Imagine hitting the open road with all the comforts of a home packed into a compact, efficient, and eco-friendly tricycle. This is the future of adventure. A lightweight, mobile, and versatile solution for travelers who crave freedom without the burden of a massive RV. Welcome to the world of the Tricycle RV Camper, a game-changer in compact travel innovation. This marvel of engineering is designed to be small yet incredibly functional, offering everything you need for a comfortable journey. Its sleek aerodynamic body is crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring a smooth ride while maximizing energy efficiency. Unlike traditional RVs, this tricycle camper is built for the solo traveler or minimalist duo, making it a perfect companion for weekend getaways or long-haul journeys across picturesque landscapes. One of the most impressive aspects of this design is its ease of use. Unlike large motorhomes that require special driving skills, the Tricycle RV Camper is as easy to maneuver as a regular trike. Whether navigating through tight city streets or cruising along winding country roads, handling this vehicle is a breeze. Thanks to its compact footprint, parking is no longer a hassle. You can easily fit into spaces that traditional RVs would struggle with, making spontaneous stops and overnight stays far more convenient. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by the clever use of space. The interior is meticulously designed to maximize functionality without sacrificing comfort. A retractable bed doubles as a seating area during the day, while overhead storage compartments ensure you have ample space for your essentials. The kitchenette features a compact stove, a small sink, and a fold-out dining area, perfect for preparing and enjoying meals on the go. And let's not forget the built-in ventilation system and temperature controls, keeping you comfortable in any climate. For power, the Tricycle RV Camper is equipped with a combination of solar panels and a rechargeable battery pack. This eco-friendly setup ensures that you can stay off-grid for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. Whether you need to charge your gadgets, power the lights, or run small appliances, the energy-efficient system has you covered. And for those who prefer a little extra security, some models even come with an optional wind turbine generator for additional power supply. Connectivity is crucial for many modern travelers, and this innovative camper doesn't disappoint. Built-in Wi-Fi boosters and optional satellite connectivity ensure that you can stay connected. Whether you're working remotely or sharing your journey with friends and followers, the camper's smart dashboard displays navigation details, battery status, and weather updates, keeping you informed and ready for any situation. Sleeping under the stars has never been easier. Many models come with a pop-up rooftop tent or an extendable sleeping pod that offers additional sleeping space. Whether you prefer to sleep inside the cozy main cabin or under an open sky, the choice is yours. The modular design allows for customization, meaning you can personalize the layout to suit your travel needs. Need extra storage? Convert part of the seating area. Want a small entertainment zone? Install a fold-out screen and mini projector for movie nights on the go. Security is another key aspect of this design. The Tricycle RV Camper features reinforced locking mechanisms, motion sensor lights, and optional GPS tracking for added peace of mind. Whether parked in a remote location or a busy urban area, you can rest assured knowing that your mobile home is safe and secure. One of the biggest advantages of a Tricycle RV Camper is fuel efficiency. Traditional RVs can be gas guzzlers, making long trips costly. This lightweight camper, however, is designed to be highly fuel efficient, with some models even offering electric or hybrid options. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces your carbon footprint, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious travelers. The versatility of this camper extends beyond just road trips. It's an ideal solution for digital nomads, solo travelers, and even emergency preparedness. Imagine having a fully equipped, mobile living space ready at a moment's notice. Whether escaping into nature for relaxation or using it as a mobile office, the possibilities are endless. For those who love customization, the Tricycle RV Camper is a dream come true. Manufacturers offer a range of upgrade options, from luxury interiors with high-end finishes to rugged, all-terrain models built for extreme adventures. Want a high-tech version? Opt for integrated AI assistance, voice-controlled functions, and automated driving assistance to make your journey even smoother. Maintenance is also a breeze. Unlike traditional RVs, which require significant upkeep, This tricycle camper is designed for simplicity. Easy access panels allow for quick maintenance, and many parts are modular, meaning replacements and upgrades are straightforward. With proper care, this vehicle can last for years, providing countless memorable adventures. Let's talk about cost. While traditional RVs can set you back tens of thousands of dollars, Tricycle RV campers are generally more affordable. The lower upfront cost, combined with reduced fuel expenses and minimal maintenance, makes this an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. And if you're feeling adventurous, DIY kits are available for those who want to build their own custom camper from scratch. But who is this camper really for? If you love the idea of exploring without the burden of a massive vehicle, if you enjoy minimalist living but still crave comfort, or if you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative to traditional travel, this is for you. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time traveler, or someone who simply enjoys the idea of a mobile retreat, the Tricycle RV Camper is a revolutionary way to experience the world. Now imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, stepping out of your camper to a breathtaking sunrise, brewing a fresh cup of coffee from your compact kitchen, and setting off to explore a new destination, all without the stress of finding a hotel or worrying about expensive fuel costs. This is the beauty of a Tricycle RV Camper. The growing interest in alternative travel solutions means we can expect even more innovations in the future. With advances in lightweight materials, solar technology, and autonomous features, the next generation of Tricycle RV campers will only get better. More efficiency, more comfort, and more adventure. This is the future of travel. So what do you think? Would you take a journey in a Tricycle RV camper? Where would you go first? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's dream up the ultimate road trip together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more innovative travel content. Safe travels and see you on the road.